front of me is ZTE Blade A54, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. You need to begin by finding an app called File Manager. Then click on it. Now tap on Category at the bottom left corner. And last but not least, select the downloads next to favorites. Then tap on downloads one more time. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. Tap on one of those options and select just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!